Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize a style on your Microsoft Surface Pro X. And to do this we'll need to open a Start. Here go to the settings, now find the personalization, and from this settings we can customize this style. So first one is background, and right here you can change the wallpaper. So go for the slideshow right here, which is set by default, and now you can use a picture. That way you can set a custom image for your wallpaper by pressing on the browse photos. Go back to personalization, and here's the colors as the next option, and now you can customize how your taskbar looks like. So for example, let's pick this color and maybe this one, and go set accent to start in a taskbar and show accent colors on title bars and Windows borders to see them like that. You can also change a theme right here from light, dark to custom, or change the transparency effects to enabled or disabled. Next option is the themes, and right here you can change basically everything that I mentioned before, which is the wallpaper, sounds, the colors that were preset, the mouse cursor, and that's also you can choose the already made themes right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.